way too much Castlevania, and I thought I would do like a vampire-inspired cutesy makeup look, I guess. So let's get started. Vampires are like kind of super pale and whatnot. I thought I would use this free product that I received. This is the Innisfree Jeju Blossom Tone Up Cream. And I don't mean to turn myself into a Keisha or Casper, but I'm gonna try it on my hand first because like I'm really scared of putting it on my and then just looking like Casper. Do I really want to do this? Let's do it, whatever. I'm gonna apply very little like to the center of my face. So we have Casper and then we have Bhutnath for us. Who is Casper apparently? I mean, I don't hate Bhutnath, I in fact love him. He's a really nice guy. But they all had, so these westerners had like really nice transparent, really puppy looking like ghosts. And we had a really scary old uncle. What the hell? I don't think it looks that bad, but would I like buy it? Definitely not. This is for free, so I thought I'd try it. Vampires kind of have like porcelain skin. That's what we have heard, that's what we've read. So I'm gonna try to do that. I don't even know, they're practically dead. How do they have porcelain skin? But whatever. So I'm gonna be priming my face and I'm gonna be using a silicone primer to help make the pore size a little smaller. So I'm gonna be using the Nykaa Prep Me Up primer. So I'm gonna be using just a little bit over my nose and my cheeks. So now that I'm done with prepping up, I'm gonna go into the foundation. I'm using my Innisfree cushion because nothing's more convenient than this. So basically in this makeup tutorial, we're gonna be covering up our dark circles and then making dark circles again. I know. You're not like very insecure about your dark circles. I am kind of insecure about them, so I'm gonna be covering up and then redoing them almost. But if you're like, oh, mine are not that bad, you don't have to do that. I'm gonna be like concealing next. I'm gonna be using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus concealer in the shade Medium Deep Tan. Now this concealer is practically dead, dude. It's on its deathbed. Maybe it will come back as a vampire or whatever. So I'm gonna let that sit, and in the meantime I'm gonna do my brows. I'm using the Etude House Eyebrow Troy pencil. I'm gonna do my eyebrows pretty straight like I usually do. So now I'm gonna go into a lighter concealer. I'm gonna be using the same concealer just in a different shade. I'm using medium Tawny, and I'm going to kind of cover it like that. Also my forehead, my chin. I don't know if you share this light. Think about you late at night. I'm wondering if this feeling is true. I hope we're more than just friends. I hope you feel this too. Okay, now I'm gonna set it down before doing anything. I'm gonna be using the Fit Me. Take the excess out on the back of my hand, underneath my eyes. What if you say no? Next I'm going to bronze. I'm just gonna bronze my jawline. So I'm using the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and I'm just gonna bronze my jawline. Now before going into blush and everything, I'm gonna be slightly highlighting today. I'm using the Wet n Wild Baked Blush in the shade Don't Flatter Yourself. I hope we're more than just friends. I hope you feel this too. I hope we're more than just friends. So the first blush I'm gonna go in is with the Innisfree one, and I'm gonna be using a small brush like this. And you want to go underneath your eyes. almost like a drunk blush thingy. Now taking the darker blush, I'm gonna be going into the Mauve by Sugar Cosmetics. I'm gonna take it on the back of my hand and I'm gonna warm it up on my fingers and I'm gonna be applying it to the halfway on here.
I hope we're more than just friends. I hope you feel this too. I hope we're more than just friends. I wanna be with you.
Going into the watermelon splash palette, I'm gonna go into this pink shade. I'm just gonna pick it up with my fingers. And for the last step, I'm gonna do a quick winged liner. Curly lashes, apply mascara, and that's it for the eyes. My eyes feel a little empty, so I'm gonna add a little bit of glitter onto the low lash line. I'm using the Etude House Mirror Holic. And I'm gonna take some onto my hand and I'm gonna use a small brush just to pinpoint it. Taking it on a brush like that, right here in the middle. I don't know, this vampire is crying or whatever. Okay, so last step being lipstick. I'm gonna be going into the Nykaa So Creamy Matte in the shade Wakeup Makeup. And I'm gonna go all over my lips with it. Then I'm gonna go in with the M.A.C Powder Kiss lipstick in the shade Burning Love. And I'm gonna apply it onto the inner parts of my lips.
She says I don't want to settle, I don't want to stay too long.
So I was stuck between choosing between a red or like a really purpley magenta color like this. Because red because like blood, and then this magenta because trying to look sickly and dead. So I decided to go with the magenta. And I'm gonna add the teensiest bit of gloss just onto the inner parts. This definitely did not turn out the way I wanted it to be. It's a lot more cutesy than more vampire-y, but I guess it is what it is. Yeah, this is the end. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.